Porgs are not aggressive creatures, miss.
They're adorable.
They bring incredible cuteness into the world.
Oh, I want one.
It is mankind, rather, who insists upon marketing the bejesus out of them.
That would look great in a car window. We're talking keychains, we're talking mugs. Plushies. Definitely plushies.
They look even cuter in 3D.
Maybe this was a mistake.
Hi everybody, we're ANU Films. I'm Brendan.
I'm Alea.
And I'm Will.
And thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe.
And make sure you hit that bell notification because we release a parody every month and a new video every Friday.
We'd like to give a special shout out to Half Wall Beer House in DeLand, Florida for providing an excellent shooting location. Thank you so much for watching.